Entertainment recap, booming this week, Jashi can't seem to get a break. Grammy Awards red carpet reggae review. Watch ya now, full carnival in Trinidad and Tobago. New music and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. What a something as the place open up, blue light turn off acoustic live show at the Bamboo Splash Lawn. I like this way. On Thursday, March 31st, at the acoustic live show at the Bamboo Splash Lawn at 90 Barbican Road, police made their grand entrance and ended the show a bit prematurely during Jashi's set. It's said by patrons of the show that Jashi was giving a stellar performance prior to the police appearance, and the crowd loved his vibes. When the police threatened to shut the show down, Jashi closed with his song Born Fighter a cappella style with the line, "Jaja talk to me, them just kill my friend. And what them want do me a born fighter. And I me them can't bully." The forward was immediate and deafening. Then the cops appeared on stage and the show ended. Grammy Awards 2022 red carpet looks was the talk of the virtual town. The Jamaican reggae fans were a bit disappointed after the Grammy's Best Reggae Album went to Virginia-based reggae band Soulja. But after all, making a statement is what we tend to do best because Spice looked so stunning. We couldn't describe her as anything short of a rose. She was gorgeous. Sean Paul, Shaggy, Gramps Morgan represent us in their different styles as well. Member of Parliament for St. Anne Southeast Lisa Anna wants Jamaica's reggae icon Robert Nesta Bob Marley to be named a national hero. After all, Honorable Lisa Hanna, MP of the St. Anne Southeast, moved a motion on Tuesday afternoon in the House of Representatives. She says the legend Bob Marley should be named the 8th national hero of Jamaica, describing him as a global icon of peace, freedom, and love. She says his contribution as a poet, Africanist, and nationalist have already made him a global hero. Another diamond has fallen. Mighty Diamond singer Fitzroy Bonnie Diamond Simpson passed away at an undisclosed hospital battling hard with diabetes. 4 days after the reggae group's lead singer, Donald "Tabby" Diamond Shaw, was killed. Simpson suffered a minor stroke on October 26, 2015 while driving in Kingston, his wife Sylvia revealed. He had reportedly been battling diabetes for several years.
We're having a party tonight. Yes, where everything will be alright. Come on, everyone. Oh yeah, it's time the kids should have some fun. We got to live some life before we go. We got to live some life before we go. Time is short, so hear me, man. Let's live the life the best we can. Don't try to worry yourself away.
gate not fully fly yet. And Trinidad and Tobago talking about full carnival. Talk about the love for culture and how we all miss the jump up. Cashier Boris, the Secretary for Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, has announced a full carnival show set for October 28th through to the 30th. Boris said at the Assembly's mandate on Monday virtual forum that a committee was being established to oversee the planning and execution of the festival, which is expected to see a host of carnival events over the course of 3 days. The Chief Secretary, Farley Augustine, added after responding to questions about the committee and the events which will make up Tobago Carnival that the committee is still being formalized.
We're ready for the road. I tell you, we're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. 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 Yeah, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. Fire!
Well, I don't know about you, but I am ready for the mass. This week's new music, my favorite part of the show, features Silk Boss again this week with Perfect Body, Spice with Different Category, Massacre with History, Naomi Cowan with Holiday, and Blacks and Black Star with Voyage. And guess what? Rest easy, Blacks.
Perfect body with a perfect smile, me see it too. Curvy waist with the line in me like your face like a Chinese. Special girl, when me find this. Yes, to watch this is get me eye twitch. She come link me in a private, and tonight she a mine. The girl come wine by the ice
ordinary me in a different category. Gyal a fi watch me like a me a them inquiry. Battery dally lily, all of them just send for me. Them a secondary, can chat to me, them temporary. Different category, different category, different me in a different category. Ordinary me never ordinary, me in a different me in a different category.
Me think them different from the start. Me put me heart in every tune me singing. You them powerful like a dapper. Could you chop me car down for shoot me willing? I Jaja shine the light, the right tune no dimming. No worry yourself, dry your face, what the tears. Buckle your belt, tie your lace, what the fears. History we making out. History we making out.
Here I am, I want your love. Every day's a holiday. Understand, I need your love, need you in so many ways. Here I am, I want your love. Every day's a holiday, baby. Need you in so many ways, baby.
On my journey now when life feel like I walk for 1,000,000 hours. And when I look on the road, there's so much colors, can I swear was 1,000,000 flowers. Hey, tell Father God, send now and bless me with 1,000,000 powers. Cause if the rains have fallen and the sun stop shine, still we pumping for hours. Tell them, we on this road again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week, birthday shout out goes to Charlie Black, Idonia, Wayne Marshall, Pliers, and dancehall artist Ghost. Happy birthday to you all and continue to do great work. And you know it can't be a birthday celebration without me saying big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBCJamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. If you have a story, a new music video that you love us to carry, email us at asteele@pbcjamaica.org. Have a great weekend, keep safe, and spread love as you enjoy the weekend. And always and forever, big up you!